Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Princess Kuromi from Sanrio. So let's get started. To draw this cute princess, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a slant coming down. And then I'm going to connect it with a U. Nice and big, and connect. Then from there, I'm going to extend this line out for her lashes. And another one. And let's go right across and draw the other eye. So say about right here. And once again, we're going to draw the same thing. Draw a slant and connect it with a U. And the lashes. There. And now I'll come in here and shade this all in. And same thing over here. There. Now that I have the eyes in, let's come in between the eyes about right here, and I'm just going to draw a small little oval for the nose. And then we're going to draw a mouth. So right underneath this, that'd be cute to give her a little crooked smile. So right there, and then we're going to open it up and connect and cap it off. There. Okay, so then now let's go ahead and frame her face. So I'm going to find my center in between my eyes, say about right here. And I'm going to give myself a point, and then from there we're going to go up as slant. Just say about right here, and same thing on the other side. And then we need to come down around her eye. So the slant will end about where it takes you to go around her eye. So if you end it here, it won't work because that would cut into the eye. So just approximately about right here, just so that you can draw this curve to go around her eye. Just creating the opening. There. So let's go ahead and we're just going to bring this around. Just going to create this ovalish shape around her eye. Same thing on this side. So take a look, go back and forth, and then say about right here. I'm just going to find my center, my nose, and say about right here is kind of where I want it to end. I'll just give myself a point so I know where I'm going. And I'll go ahead and connect this curve all the way back to my point. And same thing here. There. So now I've created this big oval, and then let's go back and we're going to draw another big oval around it. So I'm going to come about right here, tapering, and go out. And same thing here. So definitely turn your body or the paper, whatever you need to do to draw this even bigger curve. So we're going to go around. So we're going to go back and forth. It's easier for my hand to draw down on this side, so I'll say about right here. And let's keep going. So I'm going to go up, bring it up, nice and high. So we're just creating this circular oval. About right there. Come back to my center, and then we're going to come down. There. Okay, finally created that big head, right? Big head shape. There. So then from there, let's see here. We need to create this beautiful crown that she's wearing. So let's come back to the center, and we need to draw the skull first. So I come right about here, right in the center. I'm going to draw the teeth part of our skull right in the center. And then I'm going to go around, create the skull, the head. And then inside, we're going to draw 2 diamonds for the eyes. And then now all the prongs that come out. So to make it easier, let's find our center. We're going to go up. Nice and high. So say about right here, we're going to pass the head. So we're gonna have to do some erasing, but I thought it'd just be easier to draw it that way. And we're gonna bring it down. So let's bring down 2 angles first for the center prong, and then we're gonna go out. So we're gonna hit about right here, just a little bit, and come down. So this is past, and this is just hitting it a little bit. And then we're gonna go one more that just kind of hits it a little bit. And bring it down. And we're gonna create one more small angle to connect back to here. There. So we're just kind of creating almost like this, well, like a crown, right? So then let's do the same thing on the other side. Kind of reminds me of a maple leaf, actually. That's what I was about to say. So we're going to come out just like the other side, pass it a little bit, come down just like the other side, about right there. We're going to bring this out, almost touching, come down, and just like the other side, about right there. Bring it out and connect. There. Okay, so then let's see here. Let's go ahead. We're going to embellish this. So we're going to put a diamond right up here. So the most detailed part is this crown. So once we get this crown done, then it will go a lot faster. So 2 more diamonds here, another diamond, and then there's a bunch of diamonds here sticking out. Of course, I'm only drawing the necessary details. Oh, almost forgot. 2 lines here for the teeth and then the openings. So I'm going to, let's say about right here, I'll give myself a point right in the center. I'm going to come down, just going to draw this opening and then bring it in. So same thing here, about right here. And in, and one more about right here. So then you can stick a diamond in here. Just trying to simplify it, make it a little bit easier to draw. Right there. And I think that is pretty much it for the crown. And then I'll come in here real quick with my whiteout pen and erase this part. Just a tiny bit there. There, but hopefully that makes it a little bit easier to draw by drawing the head first and then putting in the crown. So hopefully you're using a pencil. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the ears. So I'm gonna come about right in this space. So say about right here. We're gonna draw an angle. Everything is angles with Kuromi, right? And another one here. Almost like drawing a diamond. And we're going to find the center, go up, say about right here, and connect. There, and then at the top right here, just add a circle. So let's do the same thing on the other side. So say the same thing about right here. Same height, and then we're gonna go out. And same point about right here, just like the other side. And about the same area on the other side, about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw another angle. Find my center, go out, say about right here, and connect. There, and then a circle at the top. There, finally. Okay, so now to draw her by, thank goodness, is a little bit simpler. Let's find the center about right here, and we're going to come out to kind of like where her eye is. I'm going to go ahead and draw 2 angle lines about right here and here. And then I'm going to connect it right by here with this big curve. And before I forget, I'm going to draw 2 little lines right here. And then let's come into this space and we're going to connect it. So bring it down a little bit and we're going to draw 4 curves. So 1, 2 right into the center, 3, and 1 more. And then we're going to draw the skirt. So let's bring this out nice and wide. And let's keep going down to about right here. So same thing on the other side. Bring it down to about the same area, and then we're just going to go ahead and connect it with a curve all the way across. There. And then at the bottom, we're going to add some ruffle. So we're going to thicken up the bottom, come down a little bit more, and I'm just going to wobble my way across. Just give it a little bit of a wobble all the way just to give it some texture. There. And then let's see here. For some details, we're going to come right here in this area on her dress. We're going to draw a straight line and bring it down. So if you're creating a little rectangle, down a little bit more, and then we're going to draw a bunch of these prongs that come down. So 1, go up, and 1.5 more, and 1 more that just tapers in there, and same thing on this side. 1, 2, and 1 more. There. And then in the center, we're going to add 2 X's. And 1 more. Or if you don't have enough room, just add 1. And so this part, actually, I'm just going to leave it. Actually, you could if you really want to get into details, there's actually a line right here that separates it, but you know what, let's just forget that. It makes it too many details. So I'm going to let's go ahead and draw her hands. So I'm going to come about right here in this space, and I'm just going to curve and draw another curve on this side. So this is part of her hood area, and then in this space, I'm just going to pop in a curve for her hand and bring it in. So same thing here, curve and bring in her hand. And then let's come right here. We're going to draw the rest of her robe, just wobble down. And then this side, we're going to wobble the other way. And same thing here. And wobble the other way. And then it's all going to make sense when you come over here. And we're just going to wobble, curve, and connect. So same thing here. For this beautiful robe that she has. There. Actually, you know what? This should actually be a curve. I'm sorry. It's too straight. So we're going to curve, curve, give a little bit of a curve. So I'll come in here and erase that. There. And let's see if I'm forgetting anything. That is pretty much it. And thank you for requesting that I draw her. And let's see, where should I put a heart here? Do we need a heart for Kuromi? Let's add it right here. Why not? To make this and let me fix this. Actually, I can't because it's not dry yet, but hopefully you get the idea. You just want to give it a little bit of a curve. But that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Princess Kuromi from Sanrio. I really hope I helped you draw her fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.